Hi YouTube family, anyone can list antivirus features, but where the proof that they actually work? Today I will show you the 4 best antivirus options for 2025 that truly deliver. I will break down the pros and cons of each to keep it real. How do we know if these antiviruses are effective? One way is through independent tests by AV test, a research institute that fairly evaluates software it in their latest assignments. All of 4 providers scored top market marks in protection and usability, with only a minor dedication is performance. However, I am not fully convinced, so I tested them myself. I loaded my PC with 100 malware files and CPU load and malware dedication rate was the most effective. But look, the longest TotalAV and Norton had a similar result, but Norton used fewer system resources. Surfshark performed slightly better than the previous two, but took twice as long. Ultimately, all tour did well, but the best choice depends on blessing scan time, CPU and usage, and especially for your device. If you already have a favorite, check the descriptions for the best antivirus coupon code. But antivirus software is not just about malware scans. Other security features matter too. Let's go over the standout feature and drawbacks of each. Bitdefender offer top it security, including real-time ransomware and web attack protection. It user AI and machine learning for spam dedication and phishing. Safe pay, its secure browser protects online purchase. It's great for multi-devices protection, supporting all major operating systems. However, it is one of the antivirus programs requiring sufficient storage and time to install. Also, it integrated VPN is unlimited 200 MB daily cap and slow speeds, making it unstable for streaming or still. Bitdefender is one of the safest antivirus option for 2025. Is not the cheapest, but you can use the QR code on the screen for a discount and a 30-day money back guarantee. Surfshark, primarily a VPN provider, has developed a strong antivirus solution. It includes real-time protection and additional security tools like Surfshark Search, a private search engine, Shark Alert, which monitors for data breaches. It is also highly user-friendly and has no device limited per account, something even premium antivirus providers lack. So, however, Surfshark lacks a functional firewall, which is essential for full protection. Is it is not does not have parental controls. A feature available is the Norton, and that said, Surfshark is one of the most affordable options. Scan the QR code or check the description for a discount. With a 30-day money back guarantee, you can try it risk free. Norton is a powerhouse for advanced user. It provides excellent time protection and scrolled well in malware rejection. However, its interface is complex with multiple scan options and an AI driven firewall that may overwhelm beginners. Another downside is it aggressive false positive rate. It flags non-malware files more often than offer other providers. Pricing is affordable in the first year but rises sufficiently afterward to lock in a better deal. Use the discount link or QR code if you are an experiences user. Norton is one of the best antivirus choices. TotalAV is the opposite or of Norton. It's designed for simplicity. Is it offers all essential security features plus an integrated ad block total ad block which works across all major browsers. While TotalAV is one of the cheapest antivirus solutions, its downsides include high CPU usage during there's no live chat and responses can be delayed. However, it's straightforward, beginner friendly.